Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install Disney Plus on your TCL Smart TV. So to install Disney Plus, you can simply go to the apps and you can go to Google Play Store. So from here you can go to the search bar on the top side and search for Disney Plus. And then the Disney Plus will show up on your Play Store. From here you can install Disney Plus, but as you can see my Disney Plus is already installed, and as you can see that it is not available in my country as well. So if that is the case with you, that Disney Plus is not available on your Play Store and you cannot install it through Play Store, you can simply go to the Aptoide TV app. So Aptoide is another app store which has a lot of applications that Google Play Store does not have or has restrictions. So you can search here for Disney Plus. And as you can see, both Disney Hotstar and Disney Plus are available on this app store. You can simply click on Disney Plus and then install it from here on Aptoide TV. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.